I want to cut across to Dr. Quraishi right now. Dr. Quraishi, at the back of the conversation that I was having with Mr. Khera, what do you make of the charges? Usually when you look at the percentage, the EC says it's all routine. That it's all routine. There are always defective EVMs and VVPATs in this charge. It's VVPATs in question, and they get fixed. But a 37%, if it is correct, or even let's say it's 30% or 25%, it's a huge percentage of defective VVPATs. Usually it shouldn't be more than 5 or 6%.
Yes, I think it's a very large number, and it is extremely important that the Election Commission itself, without this becoming a major controversy or becoming a legal case, they should come out with a detailed explanation, a statement of fact, exactly what has happened, how many machines have been found defective and why and how, and what is being done. So otherwise it will only lead to speculation. The Election Commission has to come out very clearly about it.
If the Election Commission, Dr. Quraishi, says that the number is much lesser, of course, one can await a detailed press conference to allay those fears. But having said that, there is an attempt today by the opposition to suggest that these VVPATs could be responsible for an error in vote. For somebody who's been the former CEC, I want you to explain and possibly differentiate the process. Because the EC insists that, the EVMs are responsible if there could be an error in vote. Where the VVPAT is concerned, at best, a defective VVPAT will stop the process of voting, which will stall the voting process, not lead to an error on the vote that was cast.
Actually, we don't know the facts, and facts have to be in the public domain. So exactly what is the problem, what is the defect, why such a large number, how are they discovered, what are they going to do, all this has to be brought out publicly, clearly. Otherwise, there will be speculation and all kinds of speculation. Already the EVMs and VVPATs have been in dispute. They have been a subject matter of litigation. 23 parties went even to the Supreme Court about the counting of VVPAT, the sequence and various other issues. And on top of that, 37% defective VVPAT. Now, what is the defect? Obviously, everyone must know. So the only answer is a public statement, a detailed statement for everybody, a common man and a technical person, for everyone to understand what exactly is the matter.
There's another attempt, that is made by the opposition. The Congress made it. Mr. Khera made it in the show a short while ago. Is to possibly connect the, we don't know the percentage yet, whether it is 37% or not. Is to connect these defective VVPATs all the way to 2019 and say that possibly there were votes that were cast which had errors in them. Now, is there a connect at all, Dr. Quraishi, or could there be a connect at all?
No, because that would have come to light in 2019 itself. It is 4 years down the line. But at the same time, unless we know what the defect is, sometimes, when the slip gets cut and goes down automatically in the sealed box. Now, it doesn't get cut. No, that's a different issue. So, sometimes it means you voted for X and what appears on the screen is Y. Surely that is a defect that is very, very serious and that needs to be addressed. So unless we know what are those problems which have been discovered and which are being repaired, the rest will only be speculation, which is actually very counterproductive.